Good day, gentlemen. Welcome to Oliver Hobby. Here, that is a Korean tractor truck from LXY factory. It is a 41501 8K. Now, let's unbox to see it. So now everything is out of the box. Only this foam, we need to lift the arm, then we remove the foam protection. So what we need to do now, we put battery, radio already power on, then we add hydraulic oil, lifting the arm. So unlocking from rear side of the cabin, then lift up. Put a 2S battery. Then the ESC have a power switch, power it on. Battery push in under the cabin rear side, then lock it. Pressing down, it is locked. So now we shift into crane operation. Then here, oil tank, we fill up half the oil tank around 40-50 minimum liter. Then hydraulic oil, we can use number 32 or 46, all good. Then now we can rise in the big arm. Rise, big arm directly rising. Then middle arm we drop a little bit, then the foam we can remove. So for this LXY 6x6 crane truck with bucket and also with a Fly Jib Arm and with Paladin EV radio, also can add additional attachments as a choice. Snow blade, hydraulic one. 2-channel hydraulic functions, and also already have rear side special mag tooling dumper trailer. Later I will get the trailer to show you. Now let's see the basic functions and details. First we get the EV radio arm. After radio ready, from the rear side of the cabin, from top pushing down, unlock the cabin, lift up. 3S battery for running this one. And there is a ESC power switch, push, power down, wires push in, you lock it back, align, locked. Mirror turning, get ready. This burnt cabin, we cannot open the cabin door. So for the basic function, we will check one by one. First, we steering LED at the driver mode. Steering LED, we can turn it off, turn it on. Steering LED. After turning off, we can switch on front bumper LED, circulating, top also have, and off, circulating. Now we get the engine sound starts, then we can start drive. Now cannot, it's a fuel bear sound system and running through with the driving system. Sound on, increase volume, from radio control increase volume, decrease, maximum, middle, the horn. Now you can drive it. 3-speed gearbox, all metal one. This truck is so heavy. All the chassis, the arm, bucket, it's all metal one. Only the cabin is plastic. So now I'm running at low speed, check. The very slow accelerating. So with low speed, high torque, and axle reduction and hub reduction again, it's very high torque for tooling, climbing. Steering LED on. Front 2-axle steering. Very smooth maneuvering, driving high speed and low speed. At low speed, fully ahead. Backward, fully. Now we will check middle speed, middle, already very fast. My table is so small for high speed. Oh, brake, that's too fast. Easy, that's fully back. And the throttle engine sound reacting with the speed immediately. Throttle engine sound go up, volume up, When throttle sound, you can hear go up, then start driving, high speed. Changing back to low. And the air braking sound. Now volume down, let's check more amazing details. So it has middle transfer case differential lock. Now at the differential, front two axle is at the transfer case forward. Now forward driver is at the differential and we lock it. Middle transfer case locked. So three axle all driving same time, unlock. And also, we got three axle differential lock now at the differential. Lock the transfer case so all wheels turning together one side and lock the three axle differential lock. Unlock. Let's remove the bucket. Before we remove this bucket, all three doors can be opened. Pushing unlock with spring, yeah. Then we can pulling open it. This one very heavy. It's solid steel. Not empty inside. So that's why this car chassis altogether, thick metal, very heavy, solid. And from left side here have lock. Right side also have. We can take out this bucket. Turning to be vertical, there the lock is unlocked. Right side I will remove. Then this one we can take out. As same as the container lock. Lock, unlock. And on there is a ladder. I believe should be directly pulling out. Bottom ladder can be pulling out. It's directly pushed in. Steel one. And also this girder should be same like the real car. Heavy stuff. Inside there is wood, this timber plate, yeah, glued on the metal plates. For the supporting legs have 5, rear 2 and middle 2, forward have 1. On the front bumper, this one can be quick detached. So have 2 holes connecting for the cylinder. And bottom have push button for unlocking. Later I will remove hose and remove this forward, this cylinder quick connection, and we can assemble this snow blade additional attachment. Now forward we have this pin for tooling and also have a winch radio controlled with small motor and gearbox with big tooling power. Take it back. And this part is all metal one, connecting to the girder directly. Then the bumper cabin plastic one. From left side, let's check all the details. Steel chimney, this part for exhaust, and also all metal legs outside, and later we can turn it around when we show in the crane. So pump is in this box. Here is a cooler and fan. And for here, simulation is a crane operation handle as a real one. This part is 3D printed only with metal bars. Mudguard, plastic on the bottom, top connection is metal one. And this oil tank is a fake one. It is only for simulation, but inside, in the part it's open. Inside have valves. Later we will see from chassis. So wood plate, auxiliary girder for the bucket, and 5th seat, open, lock. And this should be for the brake air bottle, yeah, only for decoration. Then rear mud guard, plastic one, nylon one. And also again, 4 plates at the rear side, wooden one, wood. And also later we will take out for supporting legs. Rear side we have this manual unhooking hook, this one, and lock it. spinning left and right, flexible for when you're tooling, and here again, a tooling hook. And the rear side, you already see here we have one channel spare oil channel quick connection, and the right side again, and magnetic power supply for future upgrade parts. So forward also have spare oil channel, here too, that's one channel, forward and the rear is together in line, one channel. And the right side too, with rear side too, that's in line, one channel. One valve control. So for all these shiny ones, steel plate. And here we got this number plate from a factory. It's written number 019, and that's some brand, okay. For filter, it have two filter because it have this side 4-channel valve, right side 5-channel valve. So from pump, right side going separately to 2 valve block. So this filter from bottom can open for clean, and this one also. And turning around from right side, so this 5 block, this metal box we can open, that's 5 valve blocks, that's a servo. And coming from here, this side is a pump, yeah, going separately to this valve block and left side. From this filter going down. So that's the real oil tank, hydraulic oil. So the capacity may be around 50, but when we're adding half the oil tank, maybe around 25-30 minimum liter. Better use number 46 oil. This is a wheel stopper, metal one, for putting on the wheels. One left and one right here, just for show you. From the right side, this steel plate box, inside have a leather folded. Yeah, where to put it? Maybe here, as you like. And for the decorations, this black one, it's all 3D printed plastic, but with metal bars, simulation of the operation handle. And again, decoration parts, steel bar, this bottle. Before we lean aside, check the chassis. Let's first see from top on the cabin. That's the all metal gearbox. So inside have the brushed drive motor, and servo also inside this cover. Forward we have a simulation cooler, but it's only a fan inside this metal box, cooling electronics and the drive motor. Left side is the steering servo, and manpower distribution to driving ESC, pump ESC, and for shifting, let's check. This is the servo for shifting gear, rock arm, connecting bar, pulling, shifting. Now, the rock arm at forward, it's low speed gear, turning middle, middle speed, and turning back, high speed. Shifting back to low, slow drive, engaged. Let's lean left side, check the chassis details. So from forward, this quick detached leg, inside left and right and left, yeah, there is push, lock, unlock, push it, unlock, same time. Remove the hose, left and right, and push, unlock, we can pull it out. That's the winch, rope, gearbox, and that's the spare oil channel. Right side, one channel go to back, and the left side together with the rear side, that's one line. And cooling, this cooling fan, all metal gearbox from forward, that's inside the drive motor. Rear side is the shifting gears, all steel one inside. And steering servo, rock arm, connecting bar, steering to check. Front two axle steering together, middle connection bar here, steering second axle. And all these axle with die-cast mold making housing inside steel gears and shining steel CVT drive shaft. For the hub, check from here. Inside you see that's a rim plate. It's a hub reduction, have planetary gear inside. All the hub rims, they are since aluminum one. With the tire soft, but inside have foam for expanding it. For the front two axle, suspension same, spring, steel plate connecting to girder directly. The range for moving. And see the tires, it's soft but flexible, expanding inside have foam. And all these rim stuff are since aluminum, but inside the rim have the plate, inside its planetary gears for reduction, more torque. Coming to rear axle suspension different with airbag, rubber, full, but inside it's a spring with connecting balancing bar, compress it. That's the range for move. And let's see for the CVT drive shaft, go back. Actually, it's from transfer case, go to CVT drive shaft forward and go to rear. From gearbox, that's CVT drive shaft on top from gearbox. Go to the transfer case. Transfer case now, it is at differential. So the bar pulling by this servo and actually, sorry, my mistake. Now it is at transfer case differential. And check again. So release is differential, pulling it is differential lock, differential. And on right side, again, one servo pulling 3 wires, that's axle differential lock. Here, unlock position, locking position, pulling it, lock, unlock. Okay, that's unlock, lock. For the hydraulic system, 5 valve at the right side, this box is for the crane. So the hose from bottom leading from the girder go to the rear side, the seat from the arm base. So then from all your slipper ring, 5 channel, that's so complicated inside. All your ring go to the boom arm for all 5 channel functions. And inside also have a slipper ring for the electric power for rotation. And from left side check, this 4 channel valve is for the chassis hydraulic functions. So 2 for the legs, extend and leg down, and also 2 spare oil channel left and right. That's 4 channel for the chassis. Okay, that's so complicated, so many functions for this truck. Whew. Before we check the crane, we first see the attachments for the chassis. This snow blade, hydraulic one, with this wheel for driver, and the bar pulling up, that's LED. Yeah, it's manually. Have a locking screw, it's too tight, let have a loose a little bit. And this stopper covers this, just it's a close, yeah. Can you adjust angle? For the spring, have so many, it have 2 lines. One is for these small tools, each one. For when you're pushing on the rocks, and also have another one for the blade moving up to release from stuck of the rocks. Now let's get it connected. First, I will lose this oil hose for the forward leg. Just push, unlock it. Then from bottom, push the unlock. Then lift it up. Yeah, need to move forward a little bit more. So from bottom, that's unlocking, lock. And that's the power quick connection from left side is for the winch. And here I have one more, should be for the LED. This snowblade LED. That's very cute design. Smart with frame, so to be strong, because when you're lifting, it's all on this connection and the forward this block. And that's the motor gearbox for the winch. Remove the hose because it's having oil. It's only for stopping oil flowing out. Have remaining in the hose and the cylinder. Pull in, pulling out. And get it connected. So from here we have the hook, and here that's the locking with this nut. Hook up first. Oh, I have oil coming out because this cylinder I was pushing. So lock it. This nut turning lock. 中间这个剪掉，怎么掉了？后面这一段不管它。And when we connecting hose, be careful. In the middle, these two left and right, that was for the leg. So only outside two connection is for the snow blade. So let's connect in one by one. Just directly push in. That's manual quick connection. And lock. Little oil coming out, cleaning from the quick connection. That's a snowblade LED, and the canvas rising for stopping snow on the forward. Yeah. Check all the functions if good. Well, hydraulic get it started. No, turning left. That's turning right, left side, rising. Oh, well done. So one driver should be flat, volume going up. Fantastic. Put the blade down. Directly pushing on the table. I will push more to see if they are moving because this is cotton, yeah? Should be moving. Stop it. Good. Nice. Rise it. Flashing, it's bumping back. And when you're pushing this one on the table, these two wheels also turning to put all the weight on the two small wheels. Still, let's see hydraulic if still have the power for, yeah, good. Turning left and right. Pushing the snow, left, go. Well done. It is time to operate the crane. We shift into crane operation mode. Yeah, then operate the legs out. Right side coming first, then left. That's one channel. Then this manually unlock this leg, turning. Then we can rotation, spring, and forward with rotation back. Then align with this hole, turning, lock it again. Lock, and same for this side. Unlock and lock it. Now, all these wood plates, check here, we take it out for supporting the leg. Rear side, we have all these four, but forward I removed. But these four are already enough for supporting. I will leave the snow blade forward, legs going down, rise. It's rising a lot, yeah. All this chassis, it's big clearance. Actually, I have to put this leg because if this long arm lean forward with load, rear side will lean up. Let's remove the blade. When assembling this leg with winch, only top hook up, and this part directly, it will be inserted into this hole, lock it. Yeah, top first align, hook up, then shaking a little bit, push in. Okay, locked. Then put the hose. Forward leg is shorter. Put 3 wood plate and legs down. Rising. Good. So now it will not lean forward anymore. Rising the arm. First, the big arm. Go up. Middle arm. Rotation. Forward. And arm extend. Good. So that's the hose rolling on the roller. Speed good. And it's so long. Still, we have to connect the jib arm. Oh, rising to the top. It's like a cannon. So for the arm, main boom, big cylinder, huge size, and this middle, then the small arm with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 arm, and this main boom, yeah, for the small arm. So counting together, main boom 1, 2, 3, then 6, that's 9. Again on the jib, that's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So totally 5 and 9, that's 14 arm. So for the hose, from the slipper ring, then go inside, then the hose bending here with all in one line, yeah, well secured, then on top. So all the holes line up very well, it's very secured in position with all this metal bar running through. And for the hose extending to the small arm with roller inside actually have clutch and move turning with power by this inside is a motor. When you withdraw back the arm, the motor turning, take it back, and when out, motor turning release, this one is pulling it out. But the motor and the clutch giving power compensation for the hose out and back. And also can be manually turning the motor release, turning the motor tighten it. It's tightened too much, release a little bit. That's manually, yeah? Automatically. Now, let's connect the jib. Well, get it connected, directly push in, then locking with a bolt. Here I have a hole locking the bolt. And give a knot, secure it. Lock. Okay. So now for the jib, one channel is at the bottom of one line. Not vertical, yeah. Bottom, this horizontal one line is one channel, and top line is one channel. Jib, let's go. Not moving. Well, oil not enough. All the oil already into the cylinder. Let's fill up maybe 15 minimum liter or more. Open the oil tank. Let's try maybe 15 or 20 minimum liter. Number 46 hydraulic oil. Yeah, anyway, the oil tank now almost empty, yeah. We can fill up half the oil tank, maybe 20. Testing the jib. Tilting, slowly, full speed. Top position and extend speed. Well, for this small hole, small cylinder, the speed is okay, quite quick. Last one. Okay, this should be a manual one. Well, I make one mistake. This is not one boom. So it's only the end connection for hook. Shaking but not boom. So it's only 1, 2, 3 extending and main boom is 4 together for the jib. And for the boom here we have one winch, the rope, release it. All the way we're running through. Here we have a roller and go to the jib. Running through, and then we have another spare hook. Can hook it up and lock the nut. Open by weight, automatic close. Well, let's hook up one bottle of water. It's around 500 grams. First, should understand the middle boom cylinder is less power. The main boom cylinder is vertical, is more power. But let's first try middle boom if can rising. Less power, well, can rising directly, and the main boom, sure, no problem. And rising to the top. First, the middle boom. Well, it's a pity. My ceiling is not tall enough. Let's make a rotation one round. Hey. Don't lean one side, yeah, it's so heavy, right? It's good. Oh, well done. Slowly drop it. Fishing. Well, thank you gentlemen for watching this LXY tractor truck with crane, bucket, and additional this snow blade. In the future, I will get totally this hydraulic dumper trailer to show you. And I'm excited to have fun with this one. And you also deserve to have this top quality with 9-channel valve, so complicated one. And welcome to my oliverhobby.com to choose your favorite RC models. See you, gentlemen.